Well, I'll start with my bill for the big bill of the session that involves tax policy, and it involves more than one. It's House Bill 2815. Hopefully, we'll be voting on it tomorrow, or perhaps Wednesday. It is at the moment, and it will be modified. So I'll be talking about it from what I would like to see happen. But it's a complete elimination of the capital gains tax, phased in over a few years. I see capital gains as a tax on investment. And because capital depreciates with time, it also is a built-in tax just by holding it, which is why the feds tax it at a lower rate. In Arizona, we don't. We tax it as ordinary income. So this will be the first time in the history of our state where we actually look at capital gains separately. One of the other provisions in there has to do with the exemption for small businesses on the business, what is, in my opinion, the worst tax of all, and that is the business personal property tax. I don't like property taxes in general. Personal property taxes is the worst of that. And so what we are doing is, what we can, since it's a constitutional issue, what the bill will do is take what is a $50,000 exemption that's been indexed and is currently at about $65,000, and it will use a different inflator, a different index, so that the exemption will be about $125,000, so nearly double what it is now. And there will also be, I believe, a constitutional amendment on the ballot in November to raise that threshold significantly. But we don't know if that will pass, of course. So in the meantime, this is something we can do for small businesses. So those are two tax-related issues. Within income taxes, we have a lot of tax credits. I don't like tax credits, with the exception of the school choice tax credit, which is the only mechanism we have of promoting school choice when vouchers are not allowed. I see tax credits as carve-outs for industries, usually because they have a lobbyist down there who's well-liked or whatever, and they make the case about how this is going to promote jobs. So this session, we got an R&D tax credit, we got a charter school tax credit, we've got the film tax credit. So every year you have some tax credits. And so from a public policy perspective, when it comes to taxes, I generally resist those.